evening, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and today I am going to make camp stew. Now let me tell you a little bit about camp stew. Camp stew is easy to make, it is quick, and it got its name from like a camp meeting, campfire. When you go camping, you can use these canned goods. It's simple and easy to make, and it is a popular dish in Alabama. It is called camp stew, and it's generally eaten around the campfire. Okay, so this is why you use all canned goods, because you're out there camping. These are the ingredients: Irish potatoes, and I just had these Irish potatoes left in the refrigerator. Need to get rid of them anyway. Some parsley, some green onion, 2 parts of garlic, some bell pepper, and I'm going to use roast beef in the can, and I'll put barbecue sauce in that, and I'm going to use the chicken breast in the can as well. Lima beans and 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and I'm going to be using the Mexicorn, kernel corn, and cream style corn, and an onion. And I'm going to season it to taste. I'll be using onion and garlic powder, Chef Paul Perdon's chicken seasoning, and some Creole seasoning, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And I will put everything in the stock pot together and put the heat on medium and let it cook for about 30 minutes to an hour. And it will be done. It is as simple as that, and it is called camp stew. Some people may refer to it as Brunswick stew, but we call it camp stew. All right, I'll get right back to you. Hi, I'm coming back to show you the camp stew. It is not all the way done, but everything is in the pot together. This is what it looks like. And I put barbecue sauce on the chicken and the beef, and also I added this 32 ounce of the unsalted chicken broth. So here it is. When it's done, I will bring you back in and show you, but this is the camp stew, and you can see the beef and chicken in here and all of the veggies. I'll probably put about a half teaspoon of sugar in here, a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of sugar to kind of cut that acid in the tomatoes. But this is your camp stew. I'll be right back. Show you the plated finished product of the camp stew. Here it is, and I'm serving it with crackers. It is delicious. I've already tried it and just wanted you to see it. So if you like my videos, please subscribe, share, put the thumbs up, tap that notification bell so that you can be reminded of all of the uploads. Thank you so much for your shares, your likes, your thumbs up, and thanks for watching. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen. Goodbye.